Okay, welcome back. Thank you for joining me. My name is Jo Baird, and we are doing the Braided Cable Pillow by Jessica Cooper. We are doing it left-handed for those of you who get messed up with these. When the pattern says go from right to left, you don't know how your stitches are supposed to look when you're left-handed, when you need to go left to right. So we are going to do rows 2 through 5 again, and then we will just doing the repeats until we get our pillow cover finished. So let's go ahead and get started with the repeat of row 2. So we are chaining 3, double crochet in the next stitch. Then we are going to do 2 front post double crochet. So for us left-handed, we go from left to right under the post, wrapping our yarn around and bringing it through and completing the double. So again, we are going from left to right under the post, bringing the yarn through and completing the double. Okay, next we are going to put 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, I should say. So there's 2 and 3. Okay, next we are putting 3 front post double crochet. So again, going left to right under the post, wrapping our yarn around and completing the double, and we're going to do that 3 times. Going left to right, and then 1 more. Being sure not to get in that stitch there. You want to go under the post and bring it through. Okay, so now we are going to do excuse me, 6 front post triple crochets. So we are going to wrap the yarn around our hook twice. We're going to skip the next 3 stitches and then put a front post triple in the next stitch. So again, going from left to right under the post and completing our triple. Again, left to right under the post and completing the triple. 1 more. Okay, so now we have to go back to the 3 skip stitches. So we're going to wrap our yarn around twice, go behind those 3 triples that we did, find our first skip stitch and go under the post from left to right, folding down those triples we just did, and we can see our 3 skip stitches there. So we are going to do a triple under the first skip stitch, and you may have to hold that post down so we can get our triple, and then we're going to do that again to the second skip stitch, going left to right under the post, and then 1 more. Being careful you're going under the post and not into the stitch. Okay, and then we have our 6 front post triples. Next we are going to front post double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So going left to right, and completing our double on 1, 2, and 3. And then we're going to double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So there's 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so now we are back at our repeat, where we are going to do 2 front post double, 3 double crochet, 3 front post double, and then we're going to do 6 triple, and then 3 front post doubles, and then 3 double crochet, and then you'll repeat that again on the other cable. So I am going to go ahead and complete my row. If you had any trouble with that, you can go back and watch it again from where I started row 2. But I will see you in a few minutes, and we will do row 3. Alrighty, we just finished row 2 of our repeat, which would actually be row 6. So as you can see, we did our repeats in our braids here. And then next we are going to be doing we're going on the wrong side, which is the back side, and we will be doing the back post double crochet a lot in this row. So this is row 3 or row 7 if you're counting your rows, and you might want to put yourself a little stitch marker here on your row 2 repeat, and then that way you know where you are. And I'm just going to use this little paper clip here and just wrap it around that post, because that will let me know that that is row 2 of our repeats, or row 6, and then you can keep doing that as your pillow gets bigger. So now we are going to be doing row 3 or row 7. So we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, double crochet in the next stitch, and then now we start our back post double crochets. So we're going to back post double crochet in the next 2 stitches. So you're going behind your row from left to right, and then going under that post and completing your double crochet. Okay, again, you're going behind your row, going left to right, and doing double crochet. So next we will put 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and then next we will be putting 12 back post double crochet, so 1 in each of the next 12 stitches. So as you can see, it is your cable and braid. So for a back post double, you go behind your row, going left to right, coming up under that post, again left to right, and being sure you're not snagging your yarn or going in the actual stitch there. Sometimes you can pinch it and it makes it easier to draw up your post. So there's 1, and then going behind left to right, pinch it, and there we go. There's 2. Left to right behind it, being sure to go around the post. Alright, there's 3. And then next we're going to be working on those triples, so you want to be careful here not to go into that stitch. So you're still going behind it and then pinching it and bringing it up. Okay. And sometimes you have to pull them apart. It's okay. Going behind it, left to right, folding that, pinching it, and bringing it out. And find your next post. Being careful not to go in that stitch, but you're going behind the post. You can see that one really good right there. And then the last triple there. Okay. And that was 9, so we got 3 more. Going behind it, pinching it, pulling it through. And then the last one. Okay, so there's our 12 back post double crochet. Next we will double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And then we repeat those stitches on the rest of the row. Okay, so again, being careful to go behind your posts. And I will go ahead and finish my row 3 or row 7 and meet you back here for row 4 or row 8. Okay, we are back for row 4 or row 8. We're doing the repeats, rows 2 through 5, and we just finished our back post double crochet on the other side, so you can see we just worked on the wrong side, so now we're back on the right side. So we are doing round 4 or round 8, row 8. So we are going to chain 3, double crochet in the next stitch, front post in the next 2. So again, going left to right under the post. And there's 1 and 2. Next, we are going to put 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And then we are going to skip 3 stitches. We are going to put in our 6 triples. So you want to skip the first 3 stitches here. Wrap your yarn around twice. Go from left to right under that 4th post. Wrap your yarn around, bring it through, and then complete your triple. Okay? I'm going to do that again, going left to right, under the post, and then wrap our yarn around, bring through 2, wrap our yarn around, bring through 2, wrap it and bring through 2, and there's your triple. And then we have one more, going left to right under the post, being sure you do not go in that stitch, and then finish your triple. Okay, now we have to go back into the 3 skip stitches. So we're going to wrap our yarn around twice, going behind those triples we just did, going left to right under the first skipped stitch, fold those triples down, and you can see the 3 skip stitches. So we want to go under the first post and complete our triple crochet. And then wrap your yarn around, keep those triples folded down, find your second skipped stitch there, go from left to right, under the post, and bring it through and complete your triple stitch. And then we can do that one more time, under the third post, and then complete your triple crochet. Okay, and then we are going to repeat those again. So we are going to skip the next 3 stitches, wrap the yarn around our hook twice, go from left to right under that post of the 4th stitch, wrapping your yarn around and bringing it through, and complete your triple. Again, wrap your yarn around twice, go from left to right, bring your yarn through, and complete your triple stitch. And then one more time, left to right, under that post, and then finish your triple. Now we have to go and do that again in the 3 skip stitches. So we're going to wrap our yarn around twice, going behind those triples, left to right under that first skip post. You want to fold those triples down so you can see your skip stitches, and complete your triple crochet under the first skipped stitch, and do that again. Wrap your yarn around twice, fold those down, finding your second skip stitch, going under the post left to right, holding those triples down, and completing your triple crochet. And then one more time, fold those triples down, go left to right under that post, wrap your yarn around and bring it through, wrap your yarn around, bring through 2, wrap your yarn around, bring through 2, wrap your yarn around, bring through 2. And there you have 6 triple crochet. Okay, and then now we are putting 3 double crochet, so 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches, and that will complete the repeat for row 4 or 8. So there you see your stitches for your first repeats, and then you just do that again for the next cable, and then again for the last cable. So I am going to go ahead and finish my row 8, and I will meet you back for row 9. If you still had any issues with that, you can go back and watch it over again. But hopefully by now we have these stitches down, knowing how to do them from left to right instead of right to left. So if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, you can post them under the video. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you are alerted when the next video comes out for this pillow or any video I make. So again, I'm going to finish my round 8 here, and I will meet you back for row 9. Okay, I just finished up row 4. We did our cables for our pillow. So next we will be doing row 5, and we will be on the wrong side of the pillow, and we will be doing our back post double crochets. So what we need to do is chain 3, double crochet in the next stitch. Then we are going to back post double in the next 2 stitches. So again, going behind the row, coming out and going left to right. You can pinch that if it makes it easier and do your double. And then we need one more. Going behind, left to right, pinch the row, and finish your double. Okay. Next, we're going to put 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. Here's 1, 2, 3. Okay. And next, we will do back post double in the next 12 stitches. So again, going behind the row, going left to right, and we are bringing it through and completing the double. Go behind, being sure not to go into the stitch. You're going around the post and doing a double crochet. And then there is 3. You can pull yours apart a little bit if you have to. There's 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. And 12. Okay. Next, we are going to put 1 double crochet in the next 3 stitches. 2 and 3. Okay. So again, this is our repeat. You're going to be doing your back post doubles, and you can pull them up some so when you go on the other side it doesn't look so funny. So you're going to repeat that for the rest of this row. And the good thing about doing these repeats is you can watch the same video over and over if you need to on the help for the pillow. And I am going to let you finish your pillow. You're going to be doing a total of 35 rows and then putting the border on. So I will meet you back here another day when you have completed your first panel or your panel for your braided cable throw pillow by Jessica Cooper. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can put those in the comment section and I will get back to you. If there's another video you would like to see from a left-handed point of view, you can put that link or comment in the section and I will do my best to get that made for you. So again, my name is Joey Lee Baird, or Joe, of Joe's Crafty Hook, and thank you for joining me, and I will see you next time for row of the border. So I will see you when you have completed your 35 rows. Thank you.